Have you ever tried to draft proof a door? Of course you know that you have to treat the sides and the top as well as the bottom. Now maybe you thought to get some stick-on weather stripping for that, but we know that doesn't work very well and it doesn't last very long, and that's why we invented draft dodgers. Well, they just got a lot better because now we've got all-weather draft dodgers. These are made from super durable powder-coated aluminium, so they're suitable for using inside as well as outside in full weather. And they're still made right here in Australia. Of course, we've still got our raw timber ones if you want to paint or stain your draft dodgers, but the all-weather ones have actually got cheaper at a time when everything else is getting more expensive. So don't delay, get down to the ecomasterstore.com.au and grab yourself a set of all-weather draft dodgers.